Can't win them all, guys. So I'm gonna go down to the other end, see what's going on down here. I know I should have gloves on, guys. Don't dog me out too bad, but I just wanted to, see what they did on the new style heads to avoid that. The spring. Remember we had problems with the springs and stuff breaking. This Hemi has been through countless designs. Look at this guy. Hey, he got a broke tool up here. What is this? This is Mac. Anybody out there see Mac anymore? It's setting up here because nobody ever sees Mac tools anymore. All right, go figure. Anyway, y'all see these cams? Let's take a look at these cams. Remember we talked about cams the other day on how you never should have to replace. That's probably why we're keeping them. Ain't nothing wrong with these. So I say, guys, you might get a ticking noise. Take it apart. You'll sell a camshaft job along with all lifters, but you don't really know unless you look down there with a borescope or something. You can't really tell if the lobe's worn. All right, but if they're not, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this cam. Okay, this one is. All right, yeah. So in that case, I'm not sure why you're keeping it. You only keep known good stuff. There's another one up there. I'm scared to take that one out. Might not be nothing wrong with it, but yeah, at least that's the reason I would keep apart. Well, yeah, take that back. This one, I can't guess at this as far as which cylinder is, but that load is shot. So it results in a ticking noise. Now, what I was talking about in that last video, people are acting proactive. If they got their heads off, they just going in with new lifters or rock arm, not new lifters anyway. But that's an expensive, because some seem to think you may not even have the lifter problem anyway. So you might be doing it for nothing. But a lot of people want a peace of mind. All right, I'm gonna put this back up here, guys. Hemi, a lot of Hemi work going over here. So we got to send this. I don't know if that went warranty or not, but here's the head. Remember I pulled the valve seat off this head? Oh, I pulled the valve out and found the seat. In fact, here it is right here. I don't even think a machine shop will take the risk of trying to fix that, because once that aluminum cylinder head overheat, all kinds of stuff can fall out. But you know, the one good thing we haven't said about it's not sludge.
Yeah.
So that is a feat at its own.
Well, the engine's a year old, isn't it?
Oh, we put the engine in?
We did something a year ago.
Put the motor here, supposedly.
Oh.
A year ago.
So it's only a year old.
Okay.
So I hadn't had time to sludge it.
But it overheated.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they definitely smoked it.
No, they cooked it.
They cooked it.
The coolant is going very quick somewhere.
Oh, no, that's internal.
It's going somewhere.
That's internal.
Going out the exhaust.
And of course,
Let's tear it down.
which I'm not getting paid. It's a freebie tear down. They want me to find out what it is. Dude, I'm going to find out.
Nobody want to guess it. Yeah, it's just that
Chrysler, I got to tell them, hey. That's
you just prolonging the inevitable. It's going to inevitably need an engine. Prolong the inevitable. All right, guys, without giving away the guy's identity, let's take a look at this straight pipe setup. You're talking about how to create a high-powered sounding car, right? Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you do it. You get rid of the parts of the car that supposed to quieten the exhaust noise. In this case, the mufflers, all right? Muffler delete package. Both of these mufflers are gone. In other words, there is no mufflers at all. Now, you have no choice but to have cats. You will have all kinds of weird check engine lights and crazy things without cats. But headers, this exhaust system is pretty unique and different. Okay, no mufflers at all. In some cases, some of the 300s, you're even gonna get another muffler, resonator muffler right here. But I want to be around when he started to hear how it sound because of this 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission. This is pretty not not unique because a lot of people are doing it, but like I say, the only thing you gaining out of you sounding like you got a lot of power. This is typical 392, I think. Yeah, nothing to run home about. But the way it sound, you come to the track, you likely will put the fear into the competitors. All right, so that might be his goal right there. Who knows? But no more mufflers, so no more quiet exhaust. Just that's what most people want. Okay, I mean they even got it the little tips on here and everything. This is fairly cool, man. I don't want to show his car because I don't know how people feel when they see their car on video. So, but this is a Charger, I want to say. Yes, Dodge Charger. All right, we'll see how it sounds when he fired up, guys. Stay tuned. Wide body only in the rear. All right, guys, that's how it sounds with those muffler deletes and mufflers removed. Nothing to run home to, but it do make it sound better as far as racing goes. All right. So y'all heard it first. There it goes.
No, and it, when I pulled the intake manifold off, it was melted. So he got it like hot.
You didn't damage anything.
I'm about to find out. Oh shit, look at the water pump.
That's why it's overheating.
Oh shit.
Holy crap, that's coming apart.
Damn.
That's why he's overheating.
Yeah.
It ain't pumping.
Wow.
Good lord.
Man, that's making a hell of a noise. We gotta shut that off.
That's a typical 5.7.
Yeah.
Oh. Grab this sucker.
Damn.
Oh, come
You
on.
can move it with your hand. Ooh, look at all that play. Ooh.
There's a window.
Damn, why didn't I grab the water pump? Oh. I didn't hear that when I was. Oh, the exhaust is so loud. I didn't hear it. The hell? Oh, yeah, that I don't.
It's an 8-speed. We're not supposed to touch
Is that
that.
an HP or an egg?
It's
It's an 8-speed. I seen it in the air.
It's an HP.
Dude, I don't know why they put an HP on this shit.
Why?
To be honest, I think an egg will fucking hold up better than this shit.
Yeah, it's
I
just
mean,
5-speed.
Oh, yeah, it's only 5 speeds.
So,
They may
change
want
the
to go
gear
8.
and- am I right or wrong?
No, I was at all part. They putting 3-speed automatics in the place
Yeah,
of.
because
They was going back in with 3-speed automatics.
No, sorry, Power Glide. That's what they call
You know what it is? Power Glide.
It's Power Glide. It's a 3-speed automatic.
The Power Glide is a 2-speed. The one they're talking about is the Turbo 350, Turbo 400.
Okay, so then
The
it's
Turbo 350 and Turbo 400 is those 3 speeds.
They had to
But
get an extension
way,
housing made to it
yeah,
so it'll
make it
stretch
longer.
out.
Either way, those transmissions can be built to handle like 2,000 plus horsepower.
They over there building 8 speeds. I'm like, what the f y'all getting parts?
Jimmy.
Where are they getting
parts?
parts?
He said from
Aftermarket.
BMW or something. Who else sell the 8-speed? Is
No,
it
aftermarket companies make stronger internals.
Really?
It's
Yeah.
better than our shit.
Yeah,
It's the
it's
same.
exactly.
Look.